Hey guys, it's July 3, 2011. Nandito kami ngayon sa BGC para sa Yamaha Run. Of course, kompleto ang Team Axel dito. And 4:45, 5:10 gun time na namin. Lahat 15 runners, 21K. So eto sila, let's go. Yun o, Kuya Ed, kamusta ba?
Ito.
Youngest runner. Yes.
Go Team Axel.
Yun, scripted ah.
Ay, second to the youngest.
Yun, second to the youngest ka na, kaya mo sinama si Kuya Ed ah.
Para ano, hindi.
Yun, brother.
Youngest.
Youngest. Lahat youngest ah. Okay.
Thank you, Axel.
Yun oh, sasabi ko na eh. Sandali, may celebrity dito nagtatago eh. Brother.
Go Axel.
Yun, sinasabi ko na eh. Ito. Kenya natin, Kenyan.
Beginner.
Yun, brother.
Kenya.
Oy, hugot to. Wala pa yung singlet, wala pa. Brother, ay tapos ka na. Ring, kamusta ba? Ready ka na?
Ready, first.
First timer. First 21K.
Yeah, let's
Let's do
do this.
this. Oy, brother. Layo nyo na, dilin nyo na eh. Good luck. Nice cup ha.
Thank you.
Hazel. Let's go, ready? Brother, okay ka na? Okay. I guess ready na lang. Oy, sandali, meron pa first timer dito. Hindi pa gawa singlet nito. Ito. Lawrence boy! Ayos na tayo dyan. Yes, first timer. Alright, see you later guys. After na race, dito lang. Sa B3 parking. Okay guys, success! Nandito na lahat sa finish line. Well, yung iba kumukuha pa ng mga finishers kit. Congratulations! Thank you Team Axel. Axel, Rudy Project, thank you. Ito sila.
Salamat.
Hey, congrats brother.
Salamat.
Oh, congrats. Congrats. First time, 21. Hey brother. Yes. Maps. Sarap. Good. Okay, good. Isa pa, kayang-kaya brother. Ha? Sarap. Parang siopaw ba? Hazel, congrats. Brother! Yes. Thank you. Saan sila Rading? Wala sila. Alright. Well, meron kang gusto sabihin?
Thank you.
Thank you lang.
Salamat po.
Yun lang, wala na?
Axel.
Yes, the best. Next time. Alright, this is Berwin the Bear Bailey. Congratulations again, Coach Rio.
Ayusin sapatos.
Yamaha Run for Heroes, July 2, 2011. Bye-bye.